back the other day. I forget how to put this bracket into this car. So let's have a bit of a look at what we're up against. There's a bracket. It's how square that is, but that's alright. So it's a little bit wider than our radiator is slightly wider than it, so we can factor that in. And let's have a look. That's set, so we've got plenty of room there for the pipes to go around it. So triangle over there. Circle out of there. Make sure it's close to there. Right, we'll give the bottom a bit of a hit with some blue paint while I got upside down. But not able to get welded. Using the good old Cool Rust, and I realised I should have used red to match the roll bars, but we didn't. There we go, bit of blue. Right, we've got a bit of paint on that there now. Got a bit of cutout done on it, so that is what we're there for today. So we'll see you on Saturday to finish the video off. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because not everyone watches videos subscribe, so I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe. Right, back to the walls. Been a bit of a gap with the rain. So last time we were here, we marked this spot here where the bracket's going to go over there. See how bad it is? There's a pool of water there, but the bracket's going to go where that blue is. So we're going to scrape a bit of that paint off with the grinder, and we'll weld it in. There we go. We got a bit of a scrape up. It's been blue, it's been red, it's been orange, it's been black by the look of it. Bit of scrape on the floor there. I'll have a go welding it. So, you know, can't run the risk of waiting for the weekend for the rain for ace wall to turn up. Right, it's a bit walled in. Might add a bit more just in the front there some stage, and a bit more on that side there, but it's pretty solid. Has a little bit of wall in it, so we might get a bit of this. Put a bit of bar, just the that roll cage bit there. But it's getting cloudy, it's getting dark, so I'll work a bit of paint on what we walled today and get back to it the next few days hopefully. Right, that now might add a bracket from there to there. Gotta get some metal and cut it out and stick it in. Okay, something like that, we'll wall that in, and I reckon then this is done. There we go, walled in. It's getting a bit dark, so we'll touch it up when the car's inside. Because we gotta get this door off. It's no good. We get a bit of access through the side here. But we'll do a quick paint in case it rains again. Rush the bay and we'll fix that later on. But you get the idea. And there we are, it's the radiator sort of in place where it's going to live. The pipes will go up through here. Once all that's in, we'll put maybe a bit of an air vent there. The coverage on the tanks. It'll have a fan in the back, of course. But that's the idea of it. Well, there you go. That was how we put the radiator bracket into the car. See, the radiator's sort of sitting in there. That'll take some fine tuning later. There it is. But for everyone else, it's been probably a short video. For me, it's been a rather epic video. Some ups and downs, bad weather, car crashes, whatnot. But a couple of people contact me about getting the car to the trailer, so hopefully by the next video we'll have it back in the garage once we clean it out a little bit, and then we can get a door off. I might jack it up and have a look underneath it here, but we do ultimately would like to get on a hoist. But if we get off the trailer for now, we get a bit done and make some more progress ready for the new season. Anyhow, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, share it, make comments, everything helps, and we'll see you next time.